hopefully we'll get through this conversation before I have to.
Exactly. So I heard today you said you want to talk about how data works on your website, how data ties into your local SEO, right, and everything around the schema or Schema side of things. Can you tell me kind of what you're hearing from members and what they're kind of asking on that, so I can better explain it?
Okay, so what I'm getting, a lot of people are when I'm talking on the customer success side with our platform, on some of the things, they're hearing the word schema, they're hearing the word NAP, or name, address, phone number, which is the acronym for NAP. They're hearing all these different things. They want to know how important is schema to their website in affecting their search results on voice search and internet searches, local searches, if you will, local SEO searches. And can they do it themselves to fix it, or do they need to use their, they're kind of saying that they're talking to their web development people. They want to understand so they can have a good conversation of what they're after. So I know that's kind of a lot of information, but the big thing is they hear it, they want to understand it better, and they want to know if they can do it themselves or if they're going to have to hire somebody to do it, basically. So let's I know that's a lot of things that goes on there, but I need to be able to talk to them in a lay term